hello, hi friends. Today, we are writing in Hindi.
Okay.
Hindi to English. English to Hindi.
बस फर्स्ट सीन में ग्लूपर देना शुरू
And
कर
there
दो.
is points also in there.
Okay. Where the point today? Where it is points?
Sure.
Oh yes. Okay. तो आज ये जो है इट्स चैलेंज. तो इसमें हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं निष्ठा बताएगी. किंटल इन इंग्लिश हिंदी में बोलो. बताओ निष्ठा.
मैं स्टिकी नोट्स में एक वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं. उसमें मैं रीडर को वर्ड बोलूंगी एक और रीदे मैं इंग्लिश में वर्ड बोलूंगी और रीदे उसमें हिंदी में बोलेगा और अगर वो करेक्ट बोलेगा तो फिर हम लोग एक पॉइंट देंगे वहाँ पर. अगर वो नहीं देगा करेक्ट तो फिर नहीं देगा पॉइंट.
अच्छा, तो ये जो टास्क है चैलेंज है हृदय के लिए है. इसमें जो है निष्ठा जो है क्वेश्चन पूछेगी, एक वर्ड देगी हृदय को. हृदय यू विल गेट अ वर्ड, आई विल टेल हिम इन इंग्लिश. हृदय दीदी विल आस्क यू वन वर्ड इन इंग्लिश. यू हैव.
व्हाट इज हिंदी इन बॉय? लड़का.
ये कैन से वन मोर टाइम. लड़का. ये ही विल गेट 1 पॉइंट. तो हृदय का स्कोर हो गया है 1. हृदय हैप्पी.
या
ये लड़का है दीवाना है. दीवाना.
ओके चलो लेट्स
Sit down. Come on. Next word, Nishtha. Come on.
ओके.
Next word. आपको क्या लगता है निष्ठा इसको आएगा ये? मुझको लगता है वो बोल पाएगा. पापा ने एक मिनट. They don't as if you can read. तो निष्ठा आपको क्या लगता है ये वर्ड को हिंदी बता पाएगा वो? नहीं बता पाएगा. चलो लेट्स सी. सॉरी, मुझे लगता है वो बता पाएगा.
ओके. व्हाट इज हिंदी इन डॉग?
Hriday, come on. What is dog in Hindi? Yes.
Go. No.
You know dog in Hindi, Hriday. Nishtha का भी आ रहा है. Hriday, come on, you know dog in Hindi. Say something to say. Guess, it's a guess. Go, concentration. Yes. What's the answer? हिंदी में डॉग को क्या बोलते? जल्दी बोलो बेटा, 1 घंटा नहीं है अपने पास. बोलो. हाँ? What? अरे यार, बाहर निकालो इसको. बुया. निष्ठा बताओ, what is dog in Hindi?
कुत्ता.
Now you remember? अरे 1 वर्ड बताया है बराबर और 1 रॉन्ग बताया. दो रॉन्ग बताया. दिस इज अवर थर्ड वर्ड. शो निष्ठा, दिखाओ कैमरा में क्या वर्ड है. ओके. निष्ठा क्या लगता है हृदय बता पाएगा ये वर्ड?
हाँ.
बता पाएगा.
हाँ.
मुझको लगता है हृदय वर्ड बता पाएगा. हृदय आप क्या देख रहे हो उधर? कैन यू रीड द वर्ड? डू यू नो व्हाट इज वर्ड? इसको दिखा, देखो रीड कर पाता है क्या? कैन यू रीड दिस वर्ड? ग्ली. अगेन ट्राई. दिखाओ उसको वर्ड. देखते हैं. नहीं, यू कैन रीड दिस. ट्राई टू रीड. Girl. Tell Nishtha.
It's girl.
So,
Okay, what is girl in Hindi?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. लड़की.
क्या?
लड़की the mundos.
Oh my God, Hriday, you know all the proper words, huh? So Hriday, you have to go and make it 2 points. Go and make it 2 points. तो पॉइंट में जो है Hriday, come on Hriday. How many points you got so far?
2.
Come here. Say your favorite dialogue. What do you say? What do you say so far? What?
What do you say?
So far?
So good.
So far?
So far so good.
Okay. So come on. Are you ready for your next word today? You have 2 point बोल रही हूँ. 2 points so far. आपको क्या लगता है हमारे वीडियो को कितने लाइक्स मिलेंगे? क्या लगता है?
1000 likes. No, 1.5 million likes.
लगता है? Tell people to give us 1.5 million likes. बोलो बेटा, आप बोलो.
1.5 million likes.
Oh wow, big number. So निष्ठा, come on, show the next word. देखते हैं next word क्या है. Okay. Ride, can you read this word? Let us see if we can read it.
T-R-E-E. T.
What?
T-R-E. Tiri.
Very close. Very nice. Very nice. Like that. इसको एटलीस्ट पूरा करने आ रहा है. एक मिनट निष्ठा बताओ आपको क्या लगता है इसको इसका पता रहेगा
ना.
मीनिंग?
नहीं.
मुझको भी लगता नहीं कि इसको मीनिंग पता रहेगी इसकी. देखते हैं शायद पता हो. चलो कम ऑन निष्ठा टेल हिम.
What is Hindi in tree?
ओके निष्ठा आस्क अगेन.
What is tree in Hindi?
यू नो व्हाट इज ट्री?
Yeah.
व्हाट इज ट्री? टेल मी. ट्री क्या होता है बेटा? बताओ मुझे. टेल इन इंग्लिश ओनली. फर्स्ट टेल मी इन इंग्लिश व्हाट इज ट्री.
Tree.
मीन्स व्हाट?
It's like I don't know.
अरे डोंट से अच्छा where you found tree? Where you can see trees? Where?
And our city like coconut trees, mango trees, and every single mango tree we can see. Also coconut trees we can drink coconut water.
Okay, very good. Nice information. Now, what is tree in Hindi? Mister, come on, help your brother.
Okay.
Give
what
some
is
hint.
tree? Okay.
कुछ help करो भाई की बेटा.
क्या बोलूं hint?
कुछ भी. निष्ठा बताओ. अरे ट्री को क्या कुछ तो बोलो. Say some word. At least say something. Then you will say it is right or wrong. आप कुछ तो बताओ. ट्री को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
Gadi.
घड़ी. What is घड़ी?
Bell.
घड़ी. इधे. What is घड़ी?
Gadi means clock. The mundos.
इसको नहीं आता है. इसको घड़ी पता है. देखो ट्री नहीं पता है. निष्ठा पता है कि ट्री हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं ट्री.
झाड़.
झाड़. ये चलो हृदय.
Also jharu pocha.
हाँ
And there is jar.
झाड़ू पोछा. यस.
Very nice.
ब्रेक टाइम ओवर. चलो भैया हृदय अब तक आपने सिर्फ 2 आंसर बराबर दिए. वहां पर देखो स्कोर कितना है आपका. हाउ मेनी पॉइंट्स यू हैव गॉट?
To the mundo.
कुछ तो रखो हमारी इज्जत. कुछ तो रखो इज्जत हमारी.
Samalo.
संभालो.
Friends. Give a thousand likes for this.
अच्छा. Come on, Nishta, show the next word. Come on, let's do it. Let's see the next word. Oh, that is so difficult, Hriday. Let us not give up. Come on. Hriday, want to see क्या word है? देखो Hriday, see. ये तो पढ़ भी नहीं पाएगा. चल. Come on, Nishta. Tell. Come on, Nishta. Say the word.
What is knife in Hindi?
Knife in Hindi.
You know what?
Katta.
Huh?
Do.
Tell now. What are you saying?
It's chudka.
Huh?
Chudka.
छुड़का. नाइफ को क्या बोलते बेटा हिंदी में? मम्मा कितनी बार तो बोलती है मम्मा आपको नाइफ इन हिंदी. टेल हृदय. नाइफ. यू नो व्हाट इज नाइफ? व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ नाइफ? यूज ऑफ नाइफ.
Cut your finger.
Huh?
Cut your finger. What would you do?
Okay, if we hurt your finger, it is very dangerous. But what we use knife for? For cutting vegetables.
We forgot some
Tell Nishta.
चाकू.
Do you remember चाकू now? चाकू. चाकू.
चलो please don't.
क्या हुआ?
I'm gonna break your throat.
What?
I'm gonna break your throat.
How?
How?
No points for Hriday. Chalo, next question, next word. Hriday, come on, let's try harder, Hriday. Come on, Hriday, start show here.
Okay.
Oh, एक minute. This is. I think he will know this. I think he will know this.
Okay, you want to read?
No, just tell the
Okay.
word.
What is potato in Hindi?
Aloo.
Yeah! Go, give 3 points.
Okay. मुझे तो दे देना पड़ता.
It's okay, आप पूछ रहे हो जान दो. He's very happy. Come on, Hriday. Nishta, come on, next word. Come on, let's do it quickly. Show me the word, next word. Aloo bata diye. Oh, this is. I think he will know this. Nishta, bolo word.
What is rice in Hindi?
Tell.
Concentration.
Tell now quickly, yaar. Don't have much time. Rice
Tell
better.
me, tell me.
No, I tell you Hriday, dal and what you will eat, dal and
Rice.
no. I tell dal rice. I say Hindi also, right? Dal and
Yes.
And
नेक्स्ट बोलो यार, इसको नहीं पता राइस को क्या बोलते हैं.
Chawal.
चावल.
I do say dal chawal Hriday. Dal chawal, dal rice. I say chawal.
Yes.
दाल चटनी.
Chutney. No points for you. Come on, Nisha. Next word.
Okay.
Show it to the camera. Oh, this is very simple. आपको क्या लगता है Nisha? बता पाएगा ये?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay.
in middle.
Let's. Hey, let him read the word.
Okay, please.
Meal.
What?
I don't know what is it.
Try it. It's right. Come on. You were saying right. Say
Almost.
Meal.
milk.
Milk. What is milk in Hindi? Chalo.
Buttermilk.
That is English only. What is milk in Hindi? Come on.
दूध.
Come on.
Now,
Nisha will add the score. Nisha points लिख रही है. 4 points हो गए हृदय के. Are you happy? You want to happy dance?
Yeah.
Don't jump. Come on, let's do it. Next word. Next word. We want next word.
okay, see this.
Oh, this is okay. He will guess it. I think he will know the Hindi word for this.
Okay,
What do you think, Nisha? What do you think?
Again, maybe.
चलो यार.
Okay. What is water in Hindi?
Water in Hindi. So what?
Tell.
Um,
What is water in Hindi?
okay.
Come on, water in Hindi. Come on.
I don't know.
You know water in Hindi. You say water in Hindi so many times.
Pani.
Yay! 5 points. Scoreboard में हो रहा है changes. इधर लिखेगा 5. ये क्या लिख रहा है? 4, 5. Okay, come on. Next word.
Yeah.
चलो निशा, come on next word. Show.
Okay.
Let's do wrap up. Oh. ये तो मैंने कल ही बताया दीदी को. I think he would be able to crack it. Nisha, what do you say?
Yes.
Maybe नहीं बोलना. Maybe बोलना.
Yes.
चलो, okay, come on
What
today.
is cow in Hindi?
Guy.
Scoreboard हो रहा है change. Number 6. Come on. Okay, come on. 3 more words with the remaining. Come on, Nisha, show it.
Okay.
Oh, ये तो उसको पढ़ने भी आएगा. Read करो. उसको पढ़ने आएगा ये. You know this word?
Hindi and mom.
No.
हाँ, yes. What you say?
Hindi and mom.
Yes. What is mom in Hindi? Who is your mom? वैसे who is your mom? What is your mom name? What is your mom's name?
It's
मम्मी का नाम क्या है?
mummy.
मम्मी. ये तो मैंने आंसर बोल दिया मम्मी. वो मॉम इज मैंने बोल दिया आंसर यार.
We should have one more.
आप बताओ मॉम का क्या नाम है? आप बताओ मॉम को.
Mama.
मम्मा.
नहीं, sorry.
प्योर हिंदी वर्ड क्या?
गरिमा.
गरिमा तो है बट मेरे नाम में ही मॉम की मीनिंग है.
माँ.
माँ.
गरिमा.
So next word, come on.
Okay, चलो. Okay.
चलो. ये ओहो, this is very easy. निशा बता पाएगा ये?
Yes.
चलो निशा, ask the question. Ask. You
What is
ask.
sister in Hindi?
Sister Hindi. Ladki.
लड़की is girl. What is sister in Hindi? What do you call your sister today? What do you call your sister? No, how do you call your sister today? What do you say? You always keep saying like that.
Nishta.
Do you call her Nisha? You call her Nisha?
No.
What do you call her? What do you call her? What do you call her?
It's like. It is like.
How do you call your sister? What do you say to her?
How do you call Didi? I mean.
What do you call? What do sister means? सिस्टर अब तो बता दे बाबू, सिस्टर मतलब हिंदी में?
Okay.
नो, नॉट गुड एट ऑल. टेल निष्ठा. हे भगवान.
Didi.
You call her Didi na Ride?
Yeah.
Tell. What is Didi? Didi, I want this. What do you say to Didi? How do you say Didi?
Didi.
Didi.
So, what is Didi?
Oh no.
Means sister. Pah. No score.
No.
Come on, next word.
Okay.
This is the toughest. Chalo, come on. Let us not give up.
Chalo.
Nishtha, ask.
What is spinach in Hindi?
What is spinach?
Spinach, you don't know?
That means a green circle.
Green. It's a green leafy
Vegetable.
It's
which you like very much with dal. I say dal dash. You eat. It's your favorite vegetable.
I don't know.
I make with dal.
Yes.
Tell me, what I make with dal? Green color.
Spinach.
What is in Hindi it is called? You
Lettuce.
eat with Papa. I make with dal. I say it is dal dash. Today I am making dal dash for you. What is it?
It's
dal.
so difficult.
Here, come on.
Mala.
हाँ?
Mala.
निशा बता दे. थक गई.
Palak.
दाल पालक. What?
Dalak palak.
What?
Palak, palak.
Dalak palak.
You like dal palak, right? So
I
much.
don't like any dal palak videos.
Oh. तो ये हमारा चैनल बोल रही हूँ. ये हमारा चैलेंज यहीं पर खत्म होता है. रिते, how many points you got? 6 points. Come here, Rite. Are you happy? Come here. Are you happy with your score?
Yes, so bonus.
निशा, are you happy with your brother's score? 6 बताया उसने.
Yes.
हाँ, पर दीदी ने बताया यार. दीदी बताना चाहिए था उसको. दीदी was so simple, Rite. You missed the दीदी. तो do you want more challenges, guys?
Yeah.
आपको नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं. नीचे बैठो Rite.
Yeah.
So I am asking for the viewers. Ask them what challenge they want to do. Ask
Which
them.
challenge you want us to do?
Comment below.
A comment below.
And don't forget to
Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell and
click the like button.
tell.
click the notifications button.
Don't hit Didi, हाँ.
Click the notifications bell button and you don't miss our videos.
And give us a big
Thumbs up likes for this video.